welcome to this Excel tutorial on the paired samples t-test. We use a paired samples t-test to compare the mean of two continuous variables whereby those variables are dependent. We have paired data where we measure the same observations, either two different questions or two different variables for the same set of observations, or alternatively when we measure the same set of observations at two different points in time. So let's jump into Excel and have a look at how we can perform this test. Here I've got my real estate agent case file, and as a real estate agent I might be interested to identify whether or not the advertised price differs from the sell price. That is, are houses selling for less than they're initially advertised for? Now, as the variable for advertised price relates to exactly the same cases as the variable for sale price, we've got here two variables that are paired. So the appropriate test to use is going to be the paired samples t-test. The way we perform that test is by clicking Data and selecting Data Analysis and choosing the paired two sample t-test. Click OK. I highlight my two variables, so I've got my advertised price as my first variable, my sale price as my second variable. In this case, my null hypothesis is going to be no difference, so my mean hypothesized difference is 0. And I click OK. On a new spreadsheet here, I've had my output reported, and I can see in this particular case the p-value is 0. So p-value is less than 0.05, so we can reject the null hypothesis. We reject that null that there is no difference. We find there is a statistically significant difference. The reason for that difference, if I look up here, the mean advertised price is about $244,000, whereas the mean sale price is quite a bit lower, $225,000. So that's how we can perform and interpret a paired samples